So the other day I was window shopping and I came across this particular item. These are the AirPod clones and let's check them out. When you hold them, you'll definitely know that they're cheap and they're not that great though, but for the price, what they're offering is actually quite good. So let's check them out. The box itself is very sturdy and it's built very well, and the earpods go inside them, and they charge whenever they're placed and the box is turned on. The box acts as a glorified case basically, which can just charge them up. Other than that, there's no much functionality to the box. It has a micro USB charging port through which you can charge the box, which can charge the earpods in turn. Then to turn them on, you have to press both earpods have a separate buttons on them, and you have to press the buttons right there so that they'll turn it on. You have to turn them on separately, but while pairing, there will be only one name showing up on your mobile device. So pairing them is not that of a hard deal. So let's pair them up and see how they sound. Let's turn on the Bluetooth, show you how it's connected. Bam, there you go, they're connected. That's simple. They both work separately, and they don't have the crazy features which the original iPod has, like stop the music when one of the earbuds are not in your ear, or start the music automatically when it plays. The box itself has an LED, a blue color LED, which indicates that there is charge left in the battery and a battery in the case. And when you open them, the earpods just slide through. It's actually quite satisfying to open and close the box, and the build quality of this actually surprised me. So to turn them off, you have to press the button there, long press, and they'll be off. And the right button helps you pick the calls up and pause the music when it's on. I've been using this for like 2 days to just show you guys, so I think it's pretty cool. For 700 rupees, you're getting the value for your money. There's a red LED coming out of the earpods, which show that they are charging. When you remove it, the charging stops and the red LED goes off. And again, let me turn it on and show you guys. Yeah, they're working for fine. I'll leave the link in the description down below. Please check it out, and if you don't like the video, you know where the dislike button is. Go ahead, and for more videos like these, subscribe. Thank you.